Hello and a very warm welcome from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. We have another hand-selected fine piece of Jaguar to bring to market, and I'm delighted to be showing you around the vehicle today to demonstrate and show some of the features that we have in store for you. It's a beautiful vehicle. This is the 2018 68 plate Jaguar F-Pace Portfolio. And I have to say, I must start with this stunning Loire Blue paintwork, of which was £705 from new. Sun dancing off it absolutely stunningly there, albeit it was a no-cost option. This grille with the chrome surround really does finish the car off very nicely. And you may have already had a glimpse, we're blessed with a lovely contrasting light interior and some more features to just show you through. So I'll just take us to the inside of the vehicle. While we're down here with the door card, if you like your music, we have the upgraded Meridian surround sound system, giving you a nice crisp clean sound with no distortion. And this leather has been very well looked after. We have the Jaguar emblem embossed in the headrest, and of course a beautiful fixed glass panoramic sunroof, really brightening up the cabin and making it a pleasurable driving experience. Now as we jump in, start the vehicle up, we have the keyless go. We do also have the keyless entry. Just press to continue. We have the most up-to-date infotainment system with the likes of your navigation, media and Bluetooth, but also the likes of Apple and Android CarPlay, and of course for those colder months, the heated front seats. Dual zone climate control and a black trim finisher with your choice of driving modes. And whilst I'm here, I've taken the liberty to print off the service history, which is full Jaguar. Right there it is, PDI in November 2018, serviced again in November 20, and most recently November 2022 at 31,409 miles. A mere 3,000 miles ago, as this particular vehicle has only covered 34,853 miles. Just to show you into the rear of the vehicle, again the leather is in superb condition. The car really has been very well looked after and come from a very good home. And that just leaves me to thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found it useful, and if you have any further questions, please contact our award-winning sales team. We're happy to discuss any finance requirements, extended warranties, and of course our Lifeshine Auto Glim to protect that beautiful Loire Blue paintwork. So thanks again for watching, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.